What's up, you guys? Another beautiful day in paradise. Today, guys, we are going to go and see some of my subscribers who've just come to town and they want to go out and visit some properties. And I'm not sure if they're gonna allow me to video, but we'll find out. And if they are for it, that'll be great because you'll meet them. If you're new to this channel, guys, please remember to subscribe. I upload videos every single week about living here in Mexico, buying real estate in Mexico. So let's go and meet the clients, let's go and meet the people, let's see what they've got to say. I'm excited about this one. Welcome to Mexico.
Thank you.
We are so happy to be here. Keep watching. Video's on its way.
So we've come to see the house. Oh, the dog is coming. We've come to see the house that Renee has been dreaming about.
Hi there.
Dreaming about,
Hello.
watching on video, especially if I'm feeling anxious. I just watch Richard's video of this house and I calm right down.
So really excited. Are you excited to come and check
I'm
this
very
out?
excited. I love it already. I love the neighborhood. I love the town, the berry growing, the vampiros. Maybe.
The vampiros. We're going to have a vampiro afterwards. Let's go and check out the property.
I'm just glad to be here.
Now, what do you feel when you come out and see this?
What do you feel?
I feel a step closer to heaven. Look at that. People out on a boat. It's probably usually very quiet here.
Is this for you?
This is kind of, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Would you buy this in a heartbeat?
Yes, I would.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
I would. I would never have known it if not for you.
Hey, my pleasure.
It's just, it's kind of unreal in a way, the beauty of it. And there are beautiful things all over the world. This has a special air about it, a special peace.
So yeah, we're back with Lupe. He just made us a couple of vampiros, doing a little video today with my clients. They've come from Colorado. And they say, Rich, we have to try a vampiro. So, what'd you say, Lupe?
Bien, gracias por venir a todos. Esperamos para la próxima visita a cualquiera que quiera venir, así son bienvenidos. Gracias.
Perfecto, best vampiros in San Luis Soyatlan.
It's gonna be a happy, happy day.
How's the vampiros going?
I didn't drink it. Excellent.
Yeah, I'm glad.
It was just for show. I didn't drink it.
He didn't drink it, no, but I mean...
He's a good boy. Doctor's orders.
Doctor's orders, thank you, Mark. I feel a lot better now that you didn't drink it. And Renee?
Oh, I feel quite at peace.
Oh, she drank it. Very peace.
Let's go and check out this one.
Love it.
Come on through, guys. Come on through.
The view of the mountains back there.
Yeah. Wow, in the rainy season, that's going to be beautiful. Wow,
Oh
this is pretty.
boy. We're in the jungle resort.
You have your own
I just want to
jungle.
roll all over the grass with my dog.
Proper
And the 12
conduit.
cats I'll
I'd
be
like
getting.
Proper conduit, not that cracked flat.
She has a lovely cat you may be able to adopt.
Oh, just kind of goes
Beautiful.
on
Round.
and on and on. Oh,
Very
well, talk
beautiful.
about picking fruit off fruit trees. We'll have a-
Wow, this I don't know which trees are fruit and which trees are. This is nice.
Isn't it? Look at this, Mark.
Cool. It's so pretty.
Cool.
what do you think about property 1, the lakefront property in San Luis Soyatlan near the Vamparitos?
I love property 1. It feels like home. It feels like peace. You can be alone. There are neighbors to be friendly with. There are friendly dogs running around, which I like. It's just beautiful, and people have potlucks once a month, so it's like a big family you can see whenever you want.
Mark, property 2. What do you think about property 2, Mark?
Oh, property 2, the hardest then? That was
The artist hideaway, yeah.
Well, it was just too small. Had a lovely garden, but for me it just doesn't fit because I'm big. I'm a big guy. And them steps were uneven. Beautiful, but uneven. It just doesn't fit me. Beautiful view.
Yeah. What do you think? Ready?
I'm at the top of the world.
The last property of the day, property 3, Willis. What do you think?
The Raquet Club. I think it's going to be great for my boys and I, and Renee too when she comes to visit. Mark when he comes to visit. It has the room. The grass is so spongy. It's really cool. One of our kids is second dawn Aikido, and it would be great to do Aikido lessons and Aikido classes out on that lawn. The house is gorgeous, beautiful views. We didn't think it was big enough or had enough bathrooms at first until we saw it, and then there was another bathroom that we didn't know about. So I think it went from not on the list to top of the list when we physically saw it.
Fantastic. Well, let me just bring the camera around, guys. So that's absolutely awesome. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been watching this video today, showing properties to these lovely guys from Colorado. And California. Mark's from California. And it's been my pleasure. I mean, we've been hanging out, we've been enjoying ourselves, we've been drinking vampiritos. So it's been a great day. It's been a great day. I'm going to be seeing these guys in a couple of days. We're going to go and see more properties, but we wanted to bring you in on this little property tour today. Give you a little taste of what it is like.
It's nice living
Actually,
out here.
you asked a question, but we couldn't answer it earlier. And I believe it was, what's bringing you to Mexico? Why do you want to be here and all that? And I guess the only answer is my brother had a heart attack just yesterday. They brought him into the hospital because he had it right in front of the hospital, which was pretty cool. And
not cool.
We gave... The bill was 1,700 pesos, which is $90.53. We got change for 100 for a heart attack. I mean, come on, people.
Well, that sells me, that's for sure.
How do you have a heart attack for less than $100 in expense? It was unbelievable. People, we're being ripped off in the U.S. You're being ripped off. Move,
Sure
get the hell out of Dodge.
On that note, I mean, you know, I have to let everyone know because people may be watching this going, but maybe a little bit worried about Mark. Mark, are you doing okay?
I spent millions on this heart, and I could have had it for $100.
So, guys,
Look how good he is now.
Mark is doing okay. Mark is doing okay. He's alive now, so he's doing well, guys. Not to worry.
Medical here is great.
And I think they were better.
The doctors spent time with you.
Yes.
The doctors talk to you. They spend time with you.
It wasn't like where they're trying to shuffle you out or put you on a conveyor belt to the next patient. No, they were people. Actual
time.
People.
Okay, guys, on that note...
to sum it up, we're coming here for the people.
Yeah.
Fantastic, guys. So, I mean, a great thing to take away from this video. I mean, I have to say thank you to you guys for being so open with your thoughts and feelings about being in Mexico.
You know, it's illegal
this area
to
for the
do
very
this.
first time. They have been at the coast. They know the coast. They know the border. But this is the first time to Ajijic, and they fell in love with the place. It's been my pleasure to show them around, and we've had so much fun today. So, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. As for usual, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that note.
Bell.
What do you say?
Dong that bell.
Exactly. Dong the bell. Hasta luego, amigos.